Hey y'all, Brandon Hewitt here with Be Random Fishing. I just got this fishing backpack that's awesome. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. It's a nice box. It's got a little see-through circle here. You can see the color. The color I got was black camo. All right, it's folded in half, so it's not tiny. There we go. This thing is 42 liters. The back is padded, so it'll be nice and comfy. The back straps are padded. It's a cool color, and it's big. All right, it's got a big mesh compartment here on the side. And on this side, this is really cool. It's got a spot for 2 rods. So you can stick your rod in there, and then this will hold the rod. So you can carry around 2 rods strapped right to the backpack. It's got some D-rings in the front. Another zipper compartment here in the front. That's good for like your phone. And then a pull-out here in the bottom. This unzips and you can get like tackle boxes out. And then on the top, that's cool for like a sandwich, or if you got like one tackle box, like a little tackle box you want to put there on top. Something you want to keep easy accessible. And then it's a big open compartment here. Might even be able to fit like camping stuff in here. It's big. All right, let's go ahead and stack this up and go catch some fish. There was a fish just hit right there. What in the world? Ooh, I just got tagged. Got him! Oh, he came off. There's a bunch of bass right there. I don't think they've ever seen a lure like this. Oh, I got a bunch of weeds on it. I think there's too many weeds for this lure. All right, y'all, time to change baits. Cut that zoom worm in half. I'm going to put it on my BFS. Weightless Texas style. Just like so. Got him! Oh, first cast he came off though. Yeah, the hook didn't come through all the way. Just fishing it like a little tiny jerkbait. I'm gonna have to tighten the drag. Oh no! He came off. Oh, I see him. He's in the grass right here. Come on, little bass, I'm trying to save you. No! Ouch! Oh. Ugh. Saved him! Gosh, he's tiny. Woo! Oh my gosh. They're loving this bait. I just can't get that solid hook set. Oh, he broke me off. Dang it. Got one, yeah. Got one, yeah. Yes. Oh, that is a bass. I think I have a tape measure in my backpack. There we go. And he's about 12 inches long. All right, let's go ahead and get him back. Oh. Yeah, for pond fishing, guys, this having a backpack like this is awesome. It holds my rods, it holds my drone, it holds, it's got this cool little pocket in the top that holds like all the stuff that you need quick access to. The front unzips if you need access to your tackle boxes. It folds out so you don't have to go digging through the top. It's pretty awesome. It's one of those things that if you're going to be pond fishing, you kind of need a backpack to hold all your junk. I like this backpack. It's very comfortable too. Ooh, that's nasty. Hey y'all, I hope you liked this episode. Pond fishing with this backpack. It was a lot of fun. I'm so glad we got that last bass right there at the end. I lost one in the pads, you know, it's just one of those struggle days, but I didn't have a lot of time today, so we just came out for a quick pond session. I needed to get that line wet. Thanks for watching. Remember to fish, learn, repeat. We'll catch you on the next one.